G'day all. Going to Walcha this weekend. There's a big annual bike run up there. There's a lot of activity on Facebook about it. I'd say there's going to be a lot of people up there basically because the weather forecast this weekend is brilliant. No rain at all. The cold front's already been through. So it's something I've been wanting to do. Decided to, well, I didn't decide it, but it's something I was going to do. And decided just to leave today, which is Friday, get in there a day before, so I don't miss any of the fun stuff tomorrow. So I'm going up to Bulahdelah, taking all the dirt road to Bunya, from Bunya, Bundook, and it follows all the way up to the Oxley Highway. Boy, there's some traffic on the road for a Friday. They must have the same idea as me. All weekend. There we go. Hit Bulahdelah in no time. A few 100k. Wow, boy, there's just some people here. Holy smokes. Glad I'm leaving today and not tomorrow. We're about 10k in. I wouldn't think the dirt would be too far away from here. Just a nice little spot. Go. That's where I'm off to. I've never been through here, so hoping there's a bit of dirt. Anyway, whatever it is, it is. Thanks, Dale. Country people, gotta love them. Seriously, look at that. Not a soul on this road. Only just had one car so far come through in the last half hour. Anyway, I'll keep going. Got a fair way to go. Which way do we go? To Cranback. Okay, looks like we turn left. We must have some water in here to come this high in the trees. Look at the bloody branches and the trees in them. Holy smokes. We're a long way up here too. Oh, water must have been absolutely hooking through there. Oh, there we take a right here. There's no through road anyway, but here we go. Take a right, down dock. I reckon there'll be some fish in here. Go the right way, this way. Good's this. It's beautiful here. Just going to stop, have a bit of a bite to eat. What was I going to say? Oh, these Tech 7 boots. I've found a way of stopping them from squeaking. Lithium grease. Huh? I put up with them for a full month, going to Darwin and back. I thought I'd tried everything, but I didn't try lithium grease. So it works. Anyway, this is what I got. Absolutely gorgeous. The red doesn't seem to stop. It keeps going. Anyway.
Nice running one, look at that. Oh, nice and slow, she looks slippery. Oh, how nice. What have we got coming down here? Here we go. Pull over. Here we go. Which shit? Fuck. You can only laugh, but I put my foot in a bloody hole. Oh, now I've got to pick the bastard up. Shit. I'll see how I go, mate. There's what? Righto. I'll see if I can get it up. Might just give us a quick hand, mate. That's a bit unfortunate. No, but my left leg wasn't long enough. Just so I find a spot to pick it up. Okay. Just grab the handle, but right down low on the handlebar there. Yep. I'll try and get it up a bit. Yeah, lift him up there, mate. Oh, I might stop the spots. It is heavy once it's down like this. You just grab the seat, mate, or something. I'll do most of the lifting. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Really there. More. Getting there. Bloody heavy. Hold it there. We'll get her in a minute. You right? Is that a little bit more? Shit! Squeeze it. We're downhill. Alright, mate. All you have to do is just go forward for us, mate, and I'll you gotta put her up. Yeah. Thanks, mate. Thank you. That's what I meant. I'll be right now, mate. Yeah. Thank you. Fuck! Man, I haven't dropped. There we go. Got to be mindful where I put my left foot when I pull off the side of the road. Straight in a bloody ditch. Straight on the side. That was heavy.
Apparently I've only got another half hour, and I'm on the black stuff again, so I'll just enjoy it while I can. I will be stopping up here to have a bit of a break. Get some sort of bit of a lookout, and I'll pull up. Oh, how nice. I think I'm far off the highway looking at that map. Take a quick bit of the Oxley Highway. It's a beautiful road. I'm just doing it to show you how good it is. You know, if you've never been on this road before. This is a 100k section. The little windy stuff's a bit back further there. It's the 80k section. It's probably 60, 70k of 35k turns. It's amazing. They're out already. Boys in blue. Hey, how you going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, good.
That's good.
Glad to be here. haven't come far, but
Haven't come far, where'd you come from?
just Medowie.
Okay.
Medowie way. Oh,
Are you checking in for the first time today?
I am. This is my first time, so
Welcome to Walcha and welcome to the Motorcycle Rally.
thank you. I've got you on video. I hope you don't mind. You're going to be on YouTube. I've got a YouTube channel. How many years have you guys been running this?
Ooh, a couple of years now. Probably these ladies here would be the best ones to probably interview.
Yeah.
Organisers, Lisa and Karen.
Yeah, I'll grab them on the way in. So where do I?
Meet me and put them on.
Okay, no, it's fine. So whereabouts do I pay and all that sort of stuff?
So I'll get you, if you want to just roll your bike in here and
Yeah.
park and just go straight to the white.
Ah,
zone.
sweet. I'll do
They'll
that.
get you sorted. Are you camping?
Definitely. 2 nights, tonight, tomorrow night.
Yeah, so they'll direct you to the camping area as well.
Okay, sweet. Beauty.
Right, enjoy.
Oh yeah. You want to go for a sec?
Hi.
Because I'm putting it on the YouTube vlog.
A little map.
Here we go. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Good on you.
All those things.
I had it, got 2 nights camping, a day pass, a t-shirt for $100. Can't go wrong with that, can you? It's a pretty good price. Anyway, no one's giving me instructions where to park, so I'm just going to go in there and have a ride around and find a nice spot to park. Anyway, I'll go and set up.